I'm Vlasta. I am Technical Director in Kovolis at Wikov. Kovolis at Wikov is a hyper die casting foundry with long history since 1860. We produce parts for automotive, heat exchangers for power electronics and for independent heating, valve body for air brake system and chassis management, gearboxes, brackets, parts for air condition for passenger cars and parts for turbochargers. The assembly was performed by the customer. Customer used sheet metal cover fixed by screws and sealed by gasket between the cover and the casting. The installation involved considerable cost both for the installation work itself and for the materials. We consider friction stir welding to be very suitable for joining of high-pressure castings, which are generally very difficult to weld due to the internal defects. We choose Stirweld solution because the head could be mounted on any machining center. Therefore, we could use current machining center as head mount Stirweld hand on it. Based on our experience, I cannot imagine that we would gain the project without having friction stir welding in our site. Before starting the project, we made tests with various prototypes, so we were able to show the process to the customer. Without experience with the process, we would not be able even to quote the project. With Stirweld, the main advantage for us is that it is not only machine provider, but it is technology provider. It means they can support us with design change at the beginning of the project, with parameter setting and with troubleshooting during serial production. From Stirweld in future, we expect continuous support to offer best technology to our customers. Friction stir welding is important for us. It enables us to offer to our customer more added value.